Welcome to Safe Conveyor. Today's video is about setting up this last stand on our slide gate model. The slide gate model moves in and out, and so we have a stand that moves with that section to support the load, and it has a roller at the bottom. It's very important to get this set up so that when you're pulling this in and out, it's not trying to lift the conveyor, and it's also supporting the load that's on the conveyor. So the best way to do that is to bring it all the way in when you're installing it. Set it on. It's got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on the other side. These handles are attached over that, so they're slightly longer bolt. Don't use the bolts that are on the standard stand. Use the bolts that come with this part. They're about a 1/4 inch longer. So you get that on there, get it good and tight. Now you can use these bolts down here, 2 on each side, to lower this middle section, and you just want to get it so that these wheels are touching the ground. Now if this floor is level and this is set level, this is going to move parallel to the floor, and it's going to glide in and out without resistance. If the floor isn't level, you're going to have to do some adjusting. You may have to kick that end up or down. The worst thing you can do is put it out here and drop it to the floor, and then try to shove it in, and you're lifting the whole conveyor with this section. It's going to fight you every time you open and close it. And if you leave it too far up in the air when it's out here, it's going to start tipping things up and down on you. So you want to try to get that all parallel. I know everybody's floors are different, but you can do your adjusting. Get that right. Put the handles on. You can put the handles up or down, and then you'll get a lot of easy opening and closing operation out of this. Thanks for watching.